Wait, you mean to tell me you have been using TradingView all this time and you didn't know Nigerian stocks on it? Ha! Not only are Nigerian stocks on TradingView, you can analyze them exactly the same way you analyze Bitcoin, Forex, gold, and US stocks. But here's the crazy part. Most Nigerians investing in stocks today have never even opened a chart of the companies they are putting their money into. Only what is happening now is that you go on Instagram, go on Twitter, you go on Facebook, you hear buy Dangote stock, buy Zenith Bank, but nobody is telling you, oh, this is the analysis I actually did on it technically. Nobody is telling you that. They are just telling you, we think Dangote stock is going to go up. I've been holding it for 2 years, 10 years. And no, now, that's not how it's supposed to be. To be honest, they only buy because someone told them to buy. A lot of Nigerians, they only invest because this or someone on Twitter said, oh, invest. But what if I told you some of the biggest stocks are literally sitting on TradingView waiting for you to analyze them yourself? And the truth of the matter is that these stocks are actually Nigerian stocks. Yes, Nigerian stocks are there. What if I told you that before you buy any Nigerian stock, you can actually see where smart money is entering and exiting from on the chart? All these are on TradingView. If this is sounding interesting, which I know it is, welcome to my channel. My name is BIGGESTDC, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to find Nigerian stocks on TradingView so that you can stop guessing and start making data-driven investment decisions. Let's get into it. First thing, you need to sign up on TradingView. The link to sign up on TradingView is in the description box of this video. For those of you using Android, you can get TradingView also on your Google Play Store. For those of you on iOS, you can get TradingView on your App Store. While for those of you using just web version, you can also sign up web version, okay? On the web version. So TradingView, this is how it looks like. Let me show you. So TradingView. Now, this is it. TradingView. Okay. So once you download it, you open it, you sign up. So this is how your profile is going to look like. You sign up. TradingView has the free and the paid version of it, but I'm using the free version and it has been working for me 100%. Okay. So after signing up, come to your chart. So now you've clicked on your chart. This is what, let's do this together. So let me go back. So I clicked on here because my chart is showing a crypto asset here. So, but we're not talking about crypto right now. So this is stocks, okay? So you click on stock. When you click on stock, you see all countries. On all countries, you search for Nigeria after clicking on all countries. And boom, 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 boom. See what we have here. Sorry about that. Yeah, so see what we have here. Boom, boom, boom. See what we have here. Now I'm going to show you other wonderful things about this. It's so nice, to be honest. So we have Nigerian stocks here. Now, sometimes some people ask me, oh, I want to just invest in stocks that has to do with finance, right? Or banking sector, and they don't know the entire banking sector stocks that's available. Some people say, oh, I want to invest in agriculture, but they don't know the entire agriculture stocks available. Now, this is what TradingView helps you to do. So all sectors, you can see the all sectors of stocks that we have in the Nigerian stock market. You can see them. All sectors. We have commercial services, communication, consumer durables, consumer non-durables, consumer services. You know, all these stocks. Some of you don't know they exist. To be honest, some of you don't know they exist, okay? So I don't want to go for the most popular stocks now. Let us go for okay, let's click on miscellaneous. Oh, we don't have any on miscellaneous. Okay, cool. For now, let's click on consumer durables. Okay, on consumer durables, we have these companies on consumer durables. Okay, now let's click on this, the first one. So we'll click on this first one, right? And this is what the chart looks like. Let us take it to like 1 month. This is what the chart looks like. And to be honest, some of these unpopular sectors, and they have made, let me show you what these have made for people. They have made so much gains for people that invested in them. So let's measure from this down part to the top. This is a total of 2,166% pump on this particular stock, XCOA. So this is where analysis comes in. Now, as a good analyst, right, you are just going through the market. I do that a lot. You are going through the market, right? Then, okay, look at Dunlop. Dunlop has, oh my God, Dunlop has Dunlop tanked. Now, Dunlop tanked and dropped like this. This was a massive fall. Let us measure the fall together. So this is how you can be able to spot good buying opportunities before anybody. Not all those popular ones that a lot of influencers talk about online just to get views because they know that's what people are searching for. So this particular stock did a total of 61% crash. I don't know what crashed it. That I don't know, to be honest, right? So, but if you're a good analyst, you might consider this a good buy opportunity and you buy again. Because sometimes the best time to buy is after a crash, right? Yes. But then you have to then combine this with fundamental analysis to know why, and don't jump into the market blindly. Okay? Now, you can see MTN. These are the most popular ones, right? Then all types, common stock, preferred stock, depository, warrant, pre-PIO. Pre-IPO, I mean to say. So, okay, for now, we don't have any on pre-IPO. So, this is just basically it. So, this is just how to use TradingView to get these stocks out, analyze them professionally, and, you know, delve into them if you see a good opportunity. Let me, for example, I just clicked on MTN. So, let's see what MTN has for us. So, look at the MTN chart. Okay, look at MTN chart. It's obvious that MTN has been pumping for a very long time. MTN, let's not see how many percent pump it has done in the past few months. Let's start from here. MTN has pumped up to a total of 451% pump. Okay, so some people might consider this an overbought asset and they'll be waiting for a good retracement before they go in. So, and the good thing is that you can use every single tool here. For instance, you want to buy from here, you put this tool like this. You can use every tool on TradingView to analyze the Nigerian stocks. And there's one very important tool, I'll call it a tool or an indicator that is so important for the Nigerian stocks, and I'm going to type it out right now. It is called ASI. Okay, it's not found there because it is a tool to monitor the Nigerian stocks. So when you come to all, you click on ASI. I'm going to show you that for Nigeria. Have you seen NGX? Look at it here. NGX. NGX all share index. You know the way they have S&P for stocks in the United States? That is the way we have ASI, all share index. So it just brings in all that is. I'm trying to explain ASI to you guys now. So ASI just shows you the entire movement of all stocks on an average. You understand? All Nigerian stocks on an average, the entire movement. So the entire movement of all Nigerian stocks, right, in the past months have been, let's start from here. On an average, all stocks have pumped on an average by 1,289%. You can see it in the bracket here. 1,289%. But you just saw that MTN did 489%. But all of them are amongst these. So when you put all of them on an average, they have done a total of 1,289% pump. So this ASI is a wonderful indicator for this Nigerian stock market. If you found this video educative, please make sure you smash the like button so that YouTube can keep recommending these videos to other people. Then drop a comment, any question you have, any observation you have, drop it in the comment section, and kindly share this video to another stock enthusiast out there. See you in the next one. Goodbye.